Happy Amazon Prime Day 2025. The deals just went live. So I checked them out and pulled out my most holy grail favorite skincare products that I love and use many of these for many years. I'm going to round them up for you here now. All of these are on sale and really good sale. I checked the prices. Most of these are, if not all of these, are the lowest price year to date, some by a significant amount. So I hope you guys find something you love. After this video, I'm gonna go restock up on some of my favorites. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, the budget dermatologist here on YouTube. Make sure you are subscribed for more skincare made simple and product reviews. And come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. I post daily educational content there and also more Prime Day sales. I've already been on my stories there sharing a lot of these, some that you aren't gonna see here in this video, so check that out. Okay, so if you wanna get a sunscreen from Prime Day, this is what I'm going to tell you to get. It's my #1 pick of everything I saw for sale for SPFs on Prime Day, the Paula's Choice Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30. This, you've seen me talk about before. It's one of my favorite sunscreens ever for several reasons. I actually have this all over my face right now, and that's it. I don't have anything over it. No blush, no foundation, like literally nothing, just this. I love this because it's 100% mineral, but it is very sheerly tinted, so it's not going to leave a white cast on your skin. I think this can blend in and match many different skin tones. You can see here a nice natural finish. Now, what I also love about this is that it contains vitamin C, so an antioxidant. In my opinion, it makes a sunscreen much more effective and complete. This has vitamin C in it, not just any kind of vitamin C. It has THD ascorbate form, which in my opinion absorbs better into the skin compared to L-ascorbic acid, and it is more gentle. So if you have sensitive skin, that's the one I recommend. This is my top pick sunscreen in all of Prime Day. It's so good and it is not sticky on the skin at all. Mineral sunscreen, no white cast, linking this one in the description. I wanna mention one other product by Paula's Choice since that was who makes that sunscreen, so now is a good place to put this in. It is a 2% BHA, which means salicylic acid, liquid exfoliant. This is a long-term, like viral holy grail product, so you can get this on sale right now. I love this product if you have bumpy skin complexion or bumpy skin texture or a lot of comedonal acne, just like bumpy texture. This gets down into the pores because it's salicylic acid, which means it's oil soluble. So this does a really good job getting down into the pores and helping clear those out. So I am linking this one below too. Okay, next, since I am always getting asked about anti-aging creams more frequently than maybe any other product, I'm gonna share two with you right now that I particularly found interesting in the Prime Day sale. First is Aven, the 0.1 Retinol Intensive Cream. This is an expensive product, but right now it's 25% off on Prime Day, which is a great sale. This also, if you can tell, is the new updated formula, so it's even better for sensitive skin people. If you've tried this product in the past and you felt it irritated your skin, you might be able to tolerate the new version better. I have very sensitive skin and I have no issues with this product. It has retinaldehyde as the active ingredient for your anti-aging benefits. Retinaldehyde is the strongest form of retinoid you can get over the counter. Works 10 times faster than retinol. So this I am linking in the description. And if you want one that is under $20, say this is out of your budget, which is fine, it's still pricey, I want you to get this one by Geek and Gorgeous, the A-Game Anti-Aging Serum. This also has retinaldehyde in it. Check it out. I will prove it. It is yellow. Yellow is the color of retinaldehyde. That's what color it is naturally. This is under $20 in the sale. Actually, the entire lineup of Geek and Gorgeous is 20% off, which I think is their biggest sale ever. But here's the lowdown on their A-Game lineup. It actually comes in three strengths. So the 0.05 is the lowest. They have a 0.1 middle strength and 0.2 is the highest strength. I love this because number one, it's really hard to find one brand that makes multiple strengths that you can level up with. So you can start low and level up as your skin tolerates. If you've never tried retinaldehyde or you have really sensitive skin, this is going to be a great system for you. I will link these in the description too. But since I just mentioned Geek and Gorgeous, I'm gonna show you two other products from them. They're such a fun brand because they have all of the major key players that we need for our anti-aging skincare routine at such affordable prices, especially right now, 20% off. They have Power Peptides. Peptides for rebuilding collagen in your skin, Matrixyl 3000 in particular. So this is a really, really good one. And vitamin C plus ferulic acid in their C Glow product. That is the trifecta you want together to help stabilize the vitamin C and work better. So Geek and Gorgeous, one of the best affordable skincare brands that is very transparent and ingredient forward. I'm gonna link these in the description too. Do you feel like being chaotic? Because that's what we're gonna do. We're going back to Avène since I just mentioned their Retinaldehyde Serum, 2 other products also on sale. This is such a holy grail of mine, the Cycle Fate. So this is going to be what you are going to grab when you want to either fix your skin barrier that you have messed up or rest and reset when you are taking breaks at night from using your retinoid product or some other active, which I highly recommend. You should not be using your actives every night. It's doing too much, okay? You need rest and reset nights, and this is what you need to grab. This is white and pasty. So you are gonna put a thick layer all over your face. It's gonna look like this. When you go to bed, it's actually going to absorb in very nicely. You're gonna wake up and your skin barrier is going to feel worlds better. This is such a holy grail. It gets me out of so much trouble when I am doing too much for my skin or trying too many different products. So I'm gonna link this one below. Okay, speaking of retinoids, this is my #1 recommendation when somebody asks me what moisturizer they should use at night if they are pairing it with their retinoid and they want to avoid irritation. It's this one. I have used this for over 5 years, 6 years, maybe more since I first discovered it. And it is a long time holy grail, the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer. This also comes in a kind of more of a gel cream version that is a matte finish. If you have oily skin, I will link both in the description. But the reason why I recommend this above pretty much any other moisturizer when you ask me what to pair with a retinoid, it's because this does not have hyaluronic acid, and it's really hard to find moisturizers with no hyaluronic acid in it because I'm not opposed to HA in products. I actually like it. But if you're using a retinoid, those paired together, HA and the retinoid, can potentially, not always, but potentially increase your risk of irritation of a retinoid dermatitis. So if you are having issues with your retinoid, peeling, irritation, stinging, dry, red skin, try this with it and you might find that it works much better. I will link this below. It is on sale for 25% off on Prime Day. So there is a ton of CeraVe and Neutrogena on sale for Prime Day. I'm gonna pull out just 2 of my highlights from each of those brands, starting with CeraVe. This is my favorite cleanser lately. I'm on like probably my 10th bottle of this. I'm not kidding. And you can see I already need to restock for Prime Day. I'm gonna grab a new one of these. This has turned my double cleanse into a single cleanse. The Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser. On days that I have on a full face of makeup, all I need is this. It takes off all of my makeup. I rinse it off. It does not leave any residue on my skin. I don't feel the need to follow this up with another cleanser. So double cleanse down to a single cleanse with this. It is my favorite cleanser lately. On sale, I'm gonna link it in the description. And for Neutrogena, have you tried their Collagen Bank lineup, specifically their nighttime cream? This is unique because it has bakuchiol in it, which is a retinol alternative. So if you want a good, very good moisturizing night cream that also has some very gentle anti-aging benefits, check out Collagen Bank by Neutrogena. It really leaves such a hydrating feel on the skin, quite luxurious. Oh my gosh, I really put a lot there. But you are getting a really luxurious moisturizing finish and bakuchiol in it. So it's a unique product. I love it, and it is on sale. Okay, this is a good one, and it's on sale. I was so happy to see Dermatology included their under eye corrector in their Prime Day lineup sale. This is SPF 41. You can use this to get sunscreen, SPF protection all the way up to the lash line. I put this on my upper lid as well, and it comes in several shades. So this takes the place of your concealer. It conceals dark circles under the eyes. It has peptides in it and ceramide, so it's also anti-aging as it's concealing. And of course, most importantly, the SPF, so it's protecting as well. It's like this all-in-one product. It is such a long-standing holy grail of mine. I take this with me, reapply throughout the day if I need it, or just tap in. If you feel like it's settling into your lines on your skin or creasing on the upper lid, just apply a little extra, tap it in, good to go. I am linking this. What do I want to share next? I think I'm gonna share a very unsexy product if you don't mind. Let's talk about feet. Dry, cracked, calloused skin. You don't need a sexy product for that. literally this Carousel Intensive Foot Repair. This is really cheap baseline, but it's on sale for Prime Day, so who doesn't want to save a few bucks? You put a nice thick layer of this all over the feet. I put socks over it, go to bed. I wake up in the morning after just one use. It is so good and so helpful for the feet. You don't need to do too much. Just get a tube of this. I'm going to link this one in the description. My collagen supplement that I've been taking for so many years, and I recommend on here and to all my patients as well, Sparkle Wellness, 30% off on Prime Day. This is, in my opinion, from my deep dive, the best type of collagen you can take because it has a verisol collagen in it, which is a bioactive type of peptide that is specifically targeted to help create change on your skin, hair, nails, bones, muscle tone. It's really, really good. They have a big lineup of products, but this is the one I take, the Skin Boost Plus. I love the acai lemonade flavor. It also comes in no flavor. This one is so good. Many collagen supplements are out there on the market, so you really want to do your research and make sure you're not getting one that just has like a generic type of collagen in it that might not absorb as well. So this is the one that I love, use, and recommend. It is on sale for Prime Day. Try to take this every day, okay? Your skincare routine is not just about the products we are putting on the skin. It's about lifestyle, devices, supplements. All of it together can really help you and be beneficial. So this, check it out, linking it in the description. Another product that's not gonna break the bank baseline, but hey, why not get it on sale? Because it is such a holy grail of mine. By Prequel, the Hypochlorous acid spray. I love this one because it's packaged really well. It has a great pH, very simple ingredients, and it's not overpriced. It's just such a simple product. We don't need to be spending like $30 or more on hypochlorous acid. That's insane. But if you don't have this in your routine, you might want to check it out. It's like a one-fix-all type of product. It can help acne, rosacea, eczema, sensitive skin. It can help fix or repair your skin barrier. It's great to use after the gym to cut down on bacteria on the skin. It's really, really great addition to any skincare routine. So I'm gonna link this one below while it's on sale. Okay, last, I'm gonna leave you with my red light device that I love. I'm always getting questions of devices that I recommend, and specifically on Prime Day, it's this one by Cure. It's the one I use. This is on sale right now on Amazon Prime. It's a good sale. I think I've seen it cheaper on the actual website at some point during the year, but still, regardless, it's on sale and it's a good price. Maybe not the lowest price ever, but it's a good price. So I'm gonna link this one below too. It's actually red light and blue light acne treatment. So if you're looking for red light therapy to level up your anti-aging routine, help your skin build more collagen, check this one out. Okay, that was a lot, but it's still not even all of my favorite deals in the sale. I have a lot more products linked on my Amazon storefront for Prime Day. So I'm gonna link that Amazon storefront in the description of this video. And I'm also sharing more deals on my Instagram story. So come over there. Each day I'm going to be sharing new things that I'm finding that hopefully will help you. I'm also running a Q&A over there right now. If you have a specific product you want me to make a recommendation for, I am DMing as many of you back as I can and sharing some of those on stories too. So make sure you are subscribed here before you head out. Come say hi on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.